guys again and welcome to another video from me. It has been quite a while since I have done another real talk video, real time, with me talking. I had a couple of speed art videos in my channel. So today I will draw a Halloween bat. Super easy sketch for everyone to draw, so let's get into it. I will draw the outline in maybe a minute or 2 minutes and then I will speed up a little bit. So let's do it. I will start with the head. The most important parts. This will be a more like a tribal style drawing, so let's start with the head. So here are gonna be the ears, somewhere around here. I also yesterday posted a portrait video from Peaky Blinders, the main actor from the series, so if you have watched them, so you might like that video too. I have another portrait on the way also, so a lot of new content, so be sure to check that out, and I will have more easy videos too. Now it looks like a little piggy actually, but let's draw. So yeah, it looks a little bit like a piggy. So now the wings, basically the most important thing in this. I'm using 4B pencil for this because it's gonna be really dark, so I'm using 4B like from the start already. I'm also drawing it freehand, so really rough lines in this. Let me know, guys, how you are doing. Are you drawing since the virus is still going on? Do you have more time at home? So it's great thing to draw while you're at home, so you don't get bored, you don't get any depression or something just by sitting home. So basically I'm going from one side to another, basically the same movement. It only continues on the other side too. So let's also we need the eyes, so the eyes will be somewhere here. So yeah, basically this is it for the eyes. So everything else is gonna be quite dark, I think black, so this is gonna be good. So yeah, this here we have we have to have a little twist. So yeah, basically this is it. This is the outline. I will now color it a little bit from the inside to make it a little bit more dramatic. So yeah, and let's see you guys in the end. guys, I have almost finished the drawing, so this is the last bit really, and in the end I think it looks really good. I did the basic shading all around the wings, and the most difficult part might be this part where you have the eyes, but everything all around was really easy, and I used 4B throughout the drawing, and as you saw in the video, this will be really a short one, kinda an hour. An hour for me is not that much because I will not have to speed it up a lot, maybe 3 times, so that it gets like 15-20 minutes on the video itself, so you'll be able to see everything I did. And this is actually what I did to all of these parts. You can make these parts darker here because then the drawing will have more highlights. So these sharp parts, you have to make them darker, and then you go lighter, so it creates that effect, you know, that contrast. So this is really the key. You can of course color it you know, the same, with the same pressure, but if you apply more pressure here, you get darker here, and then you go lighter towards the middle, so then it has that shading effect. That basically depends on your level of skill on shading, so you can practice that, and this is a great drawing to practice it. I did this quite large actually, so it's on almost A4 size, so you can draw it smaller, it will take you less time. So yeah, I will edit this and I will have this uploaded, I think tomorrow. Today I will continue some portraits that I have to do, also on video, and a lot of new content coming towards my channel. I'm also thinking about doing different kind of videos. I don't know yet like what type of videos. If you have any ideas, drop them in comments, and if there's something you would like to see, a review, I don't know, like anything towards, you know, towards art, what I could do, speak about maybe subjects or whatever. So I will be seeing for these ideas, and I will be thinking about them. So if you have any ideas, drop them in comments, and I reply to every comment. So basically this is it. This is a cute Halloween bat drawing. I hope you like this video, and take care guys, see you in my next videos.